Alright guys, so I'll just wait for you to see me. Alright, so we have a double box break of Panini Playbook. Box break number 92, eBay. So, 2 boxes. So, here we go. First one. So it's 1 pack with 1 booklet, sometimes 2, rarely 2. Like this one has only 1. And I'll see by the side of the pack. For the Winnipeg Jets, first draft autograph of Jacob Trouba. Winnipeg Jets. For the LA Kings base card, number 249, Jonathan Quick. And between Philadelphia and Columbus, the duel of Scott Lawton and Boone Jenner. So I will do the random afterwards. And the second box. Oh, this one is thicker, maybe 2 booklets. No, only 1. Alright, base card number 249 for the Jets. Dusty Bifuglian. Detroit Red Wings limited edition number 299, Nicholas Lidstrom. And first edition booklet autograph, not numbered, for the Nashville Predators, Seth Jones. Alright, so let me do the random. So, just give me a moment. Won't be long. So, Philly, Columbus. Alright, so I can see correctly. Sorry for that. Make sure you see correctly. So the 3 names are there. 3 times each time, so we're going to random 3 times. So there we go. 1 time. Oops. Alright, 1 time. 2 times. 3 times. The winners are Columbus. There you go, guys, for this break. I will be right back at 21:45 for the Series 2. Thank you very much.